you the 2026 GMC Motorhomes together. This is the real future of luxury travel. If you enjoy futuristic motorhome content like this, stay with me till the end. There's a lot more to see. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 motorhome is redefining what American off-road adventure truly means. Built for explorers who want more power, more capability, and more freedom than any traditional RV can offer. This massive machine combines the reliability of GMC engineering with the unstoppable strength of a military-grade 6x6 platform. What you're looking at is not just a motorhome, this is a road-dominating beast, designed to conquer deserts, mountains, forests, and everything in between, while still offering the comfort, technology, and luxury needed for long-distance travel across the United States. The exterior itself sets the tone. The bold, armored design sits atop 6 oversized off-road tires that give the motorhome unmatched ground clearance and the ability to travel where regular RVs simply cannot go. It looks like a tactical command vehicle fused with a luxury residence on wheels. The 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 stands tall and confident, ready to face extreme weather, rocky terrain, mud trails, and remote wilderness roads that most RV owners only dream about. GMC has engineered this with reinforced steel plating, a heavy-duty front bumper, a military-style winch system, and LED lighting bars that make nighttime driving safer and easier in remote areas. The presence of this vehicle alone turns heads everywhere it goes because it feels powerful, secure, and incredibly capable. Under its massive hood lies a powerhouse engine built to deliver torque, control, and endurance. The upgraded 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, paired with a high-performance off-road transmission and an intelligent 6-wheel drive system, gives the Savana 6x6 motorhome the kind of muscle required for towing, climbing, and long-range travel across unforgiving landscapes. Whether cruising through snow-covered Colorado passes, powering up steep rocky inclines in Utah, or moving through muddy trails in the Pacific Northwest, this RV thrives in places most vehicles retreat from. The triple-axle configuration adds stability, balance, and improved traction, making it as safe as it is unstoppable inside. The 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 transforms from rugged warrior to refined sanctuary. GMC designed the interior to be spacious, functional, and surprisingly luxurious considering the motorhome's tough exterior. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials, rich textures, and intelligently placed lighting that makes the interior feel both warm and modern. The layout includes a full living area with a soft reclining sofa, a fold-out dining space, and large panoramic windows that bring in natural light and let passengers enjoy scenic landscapes. In any environment, the kitchen is compact but efficient, featuring stainless steel appliances, a dual-burner smart stove, a compact refrigerator, a microwave oven, and a deep sink with a high-pressure faucet. Whether you're cooking a simple meal or a full dinner after a long day of travel, everything you need is right there. One of the standout features is a sleeping area. The rear bedroom offers a comfortable memory foam queen bed, climate control vents, USB charging ports, and built-in storage cabinets designed to handle long journeys. Every cabinet, drawer, and storage pocket is reinforced and securely locked to stay in place on rough terrain, even when driving through bumpy mountain trails or uneven desert roads. Everything inside remains stable and quiet. The bathroom features a compact but efficient shower, a flushing toilet, and a modern sink with overhead lighting. GMC ensures that even in the wilderness, travelers experience the comfort and privacy of a home-like setup. Technology plays a huge role in making this motorhome future-ready. The Savana 6x6 comes equipped with a digital dashboard, off-road navigation, satellite communication capability, and a full-range camera system that helps drivers navigate difficult terrain with precision. A rooftop solar array combined with a high-capacity lithium battery pack gives the RV off-grid power for extended stays in remote locations. The motorhome also includes climate control systems, water filtration, and a built-in generator, making it ideal for long-term camping, overlanding, cross-country travel, and wilderness exploration. Safety has been enhanced to match the motorhome's extreme capabilities. GMC has included reinforced side panels, a rollover-resistant frame, advanced braking assist,
welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button.
Stability systems and tire pressure monitoring across all 6 wheels. The elevated seating position gives the driver excellent road visibility, while the armored front bumper provides protection against wildlife, debris, and unexpected obstacles. The LED floodlights help illuminate large areas at night, ideal for setting up camp or navigating pitch-dark environments. The 2026 Savana 6x6 is built with the mindset that true adventure requires both courage and precaution. One of the most impressive aspects of this motorhome is its adaptability for American lifestyles. Whether you're a family looking for a durable RV to explore national parks, an off-road enthusiast wanting to conquer rugged trails, or a traveler seeking long-term remote living, the 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 provides all the tools needed to live comfortably and travel confidently. It appeals to campers, survivalists, hunters, mountain explorers, and even digital nomads who want a reliable mobile home that never limits their destination options. For content creators and road warriors, the motorhome also offers built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, external antennas for better reception, and a customizable work table that turns the living area into a functional mobile workstation. As the popularity of off-grid living and cross-country RV travel continues to grow in the United States, the 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 motorhome arrives at the perfect moment. Its blend of raw strength, intelligent design, and comfortable interiors makes it stand out from traditional RVs. It gives owners the freedom to camp at remote lakes, reach mountaintop views, explore deeper into forests, and stay safe during long journeys without relying on crowded campgrounds. It's a motorhome made for those who value independence, adventure, and the thrill of pushing beyond the ordinary. GMC has positioned this model as one of the most capable off-road motorhomes available, and it lives up to that promise with its construction, performance, and advanced engineering. The future of outdoor travel isn't just about luxury or technology, it's about having the power and reliability to go anywhere, combined with the comfort to enjoy the journey. That is exactly what the 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 delivers. It's not a simple RV, it's a full adventure command center built for the American explorer, who refuses to let roads or limits decide how far they can go. Whether driving across wide open highways, climbing high-altitude trails, crossing national park landscapes, or setting up camp in the remote wilderness, the 2026 GMC Savana 6x6 motorhome ensures every journey is bold, comfortable, safe, and unforgettable. It is more than a motorhome, it is a lifestyle on wheels, a powerful traveling fortress, and a tribute to the spirit of American exploration. For those who want one vehicle that can handle luxury travel, extreme terrain, and long-distance living, this 6x6 is the ultimate choice and a true icon of freedom on the road.